Been playing around with these 3M double-sided sticky pads and so far super impressed. They are industrial strength, they're very adhesive, and they're designed to be a permanent heavy-duty bonding solution. Weather and heat resistant, can work on wood, glass, plastic, metal, LED, etc. And you can cut them to size. So I went ahead and cut these two just using standard scissors and going to adhere them to the back of the hook. Directions say first you remove the white side and put it to the object you're looking to hang. Once it's pressed and sealed in place, then you can remove the red side and adhere it to the surface that you want it to hang on. It also comes with an additional adhesion promoter. So if you're hanging something extremely heavy, you do want to put the glue backing on as well, but this is not, so I'm going to just rely on the sticky mat itself. And then I'm going to put both of those on and adhere them to the wall. And because I'm a wuss and didn't want to permanently damage my furniture in the bathroom, I went ahead and tried it on this wood particle board, and I wanted to see if the included tool would remove it without damaging the surface, so I can feel it releasing the tension. And let's see if I just kind of give it a good go there. It is releasing. I feel like I can eventually get this back off my cabinetry in my bathroom should I want to. So in summary, here are the steps. You use the included alcohol pads to prepare the surface. If it's a really heavy item, there is an adhesion promoter that you would apply to the wall or area where you are applying it and let that set for about 60 seconds. And then you would apply the double sticky pads on top of that to just give you that extra layer of adhesion. And then I like that it includes the remover as well. I can keep everything together in this kit. There are 48 of the sticky pads. If you use them all, you can hang something up to 90 pounds, but you can rely on about 2 pounds per sticker. And then they have a lot of flexibility, a lot of adhesion. I'm super impressed with that part. In summary, I love I can use them indoors and outdoors, 90 pounds if you use every single sticker, and I like that they are water resistant, waterproof. You do want to use them in a moist situation or outdoors. It's not damaging my surface when I'm trying out. Super strong. The instructions are very easy to follow. Our problem solved. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I can make more videos like this.